I think solo founders are about to become way more dangerous because a few years ago, building a serious software product required an entire team: developers, designers, project managers, back-end engineers, and QA testing. Now, one person with the right AI tools can suddenly do a lot more. So today, I wanted to test something called Verdent, an AI technical co-founder, to see if it could actually help build a real startup-level platform from scratch. Not a simple landing page, not a calculator app, an actual business system people could genuinely use. The startup idea. So here's the idea I decided to build: an AI-powered property rental management platform. Basically, a system where landlords can manage properties, track tenants, collect rent payments, monitor maintenance requests, review contracts, and manage communication from one dashboard. Tenants can log in, submit maintenance issues, pay rent, track lease details, and receive updates automatically. Honestly, this is the type of platform that would normally take a serious amount of development work. You'd usually need front-end development, back-end infrastructure, authentication systems, payment processing, databases, notifications, file management, and deployment setup. In other words, a full software team. But instead of hiring developers, I wanted to see what Verdent could actually do. So I opened the platform and described the entire project in plain English. I asked for a system where landlords can manage properties, track tenants, monitor maintenance requests, and manage communication from one dashboard. Tenants can log in, submit maintenance issues, view their rental details, and receive updates automatically. And one thing immediately stood out: Verdent didn't instantly start generating random code. Instead, it started organizing the entire project first. Building the roadmap, the platform broke everything into structured workflows: authentication, database setup, tenant systems, payment infrastructure, maintenance management, dashboard components, deployment, and testing. Honestly, it felt less like prompting an AI and more like working with an actual technical operations team. Before anything was built, I could review the roadmap, adjust features, and confirm how the platform should function. AI agents get to work. Then Verdent started executing, and this is where things became really interesting. Most AI website builders still require constant supervision: generate, fix, retry, repeat. But with Verdent, I could literally let the workflow continue running while I focused on other things. And instead of one AI handling tasks sequentially, multiple AI agents started working simultaneously. One handled authentication, another focused on tenant dashboards, another worked on payment systems and maintenance workflows. Watching different parts of the product develop at the same time genuinely felt closer to managing a startup team than using a normal AI coding assistant. Pulse dashboard. And then there's Pulse. This is probably one of the strongest parts of the platform. Instead of wondering what the AI was doing in the background, Pulse gave me a live visual overview of the entire project. I could instantly see completed tasks, active workflows, deployment progress, testing stages, and pending systems. So, even though AI was doing most of the execution, I still had complete visibility over the product. Personalized development. Another thing I noticed is that Verdent actually learns your preferences over time. I told it I preferred clean layouts, minimal UI, rounded cards, and darker themes. And throughout the project, those same design decisions continued appearing automatically. That's a huge improvement compared to most AI tools where you constantly repeat instructions over and over again. Verdent also integrates with tools like GitHub, Stripe, Slack, Telegram, and Notion, which means the goal here isn't just generating websites, it's building operational systems that can actually support real businesses. And honestly, that's when the AI technical co-founder idea finally started making sense to me. Because while I focused on the business side, Verdent kept pushing the product forward in the background. The final result, and after everything finished processing, I had a working rental management platform ready to test. Landlords could manage properties, organize tenants, track payments, monitor maintenance requests, and handle communication from one dashboard. Tenants could pay rent, report maintenance problems, receive updates, and access lease information through their accounts. What normally could have taken weeks or even months of development suddenly became a working product much faster than I expected. And honestly, I think this is where software development is heading. The barrier between ideas and execution is getting smaller every year, and tools like Verdent are making it possible for solo founders to build things that previously required entire companies, not just websites, actual operational businesses. If you want to check out Verdent for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.